Welcome back to CAD Matrix, your go-to place for all things AutoCAD. In today's video, we will show you how to create a custom DWT template file in AutoCAD, saving your time and ensuring consistency in all your projects. So let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly discuss what a DWT template file is and why it's so useful. A DWT file is a drawing template that contains predefined settings like units, layers, text styles, and more. Using templates helps you maintain consistency across your projects and significantly speeds up the drawing process. First, we will set up our drawings with all the necessary settings. Open AutoCAD and start a new drawing by clicking New. Now let's configure our drawing units. Type units and press enter. Select the desired units. For example, I'm selecting type architecture, precision, and I'm selecting units inches and press OK. You can select according to your project requirements. Next, let's set up some layers. Type layers and press enter. Create layers such as walls, doors, and windows. You can give specific color and line type to each layer. This will help you organize your drawing elements. We will also set up our text style and dimension style. To set up text style, press style and then press enter. Now select the font name and font style according to your project requirements and select text height, set current and close. Now to set the dimension styles, press D and enter. Select modify and you can select the line type that you want. You can also select symbols and arrows according to your need. Select the primary units. You can also select text height. And press OK, set current and close. Once you have configured everything, it's time to save our drawing as a template. Click on the application menu, then click Save As and select Drawing Template. In the Save Drawing As dialog box, navigate to the location where you want to save your template. Enter a name for your template and click Save. You can also enter a description for your template in the dialog box that appears. To use your new template, start a new drawing by clicking the application menu, then New. In the Select Template dialog box, navigate to your template file, select it and click Open. Your new drawing will now have all the settings from your template, ready for you to start working on your projects. And that's it for today's tutorial on creating custom drawing template files in AutoCAD. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.